It is marvelous March 18th. Why is it so marvelous? Because it's Oil News Day. Oil News Day is never, ever, ever boring. Oil News Day is always marvelous and spectacular. And for that reason, it's extremely important to respect what oil telling us. If you remember yesterday, my bias was only bullish. We were at these levels. In just a second, I will show you why it was such a marvelous place to short from. What is oil telling me right now? That it's heading to 41.27. My bias on oil is absolutely bearish. So let me show you why this was such a magnificent place to short from. Here we go. Also, just a reminder, today is FOMC day, and for that reason I will be coming back to the trading room at 1:45 EST, and here is the magic of the puzzle. Take a look where sellers stepped in from on oil. Picture perfect reminder, respect and adore Fibonacci levels and take advantage of the market once rules are met. And that was absolutely perfect place to short oil from, as that's where oil blasted to the downside. Clear? So again, bias on oil remains absolutely bearish. Oil's just taking very temporary pause. But here we go, just picture perfect reminder. As spelled out by Alpha Wave Trader method since 2011. As posted on social media since 2011. Enjoy the collapse on oil. Oil heading to 42. And here we go. Oil at 42 since overnight session. Reminding you, if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. And my poor doctor, he was buying oil at 52. That's what separates knowledgeable trader from trader who follows clueless advice. Oil cannot be more clear. It was only bullish correction. Fight for 2 months, and here is a continuous collapse, as spelled out and posted for the last 2 years. 42. Respect the rules. Currently oil pointing down to 41.25, then 40, potentially 33, and bam, 27. But one step at a time. Oil news today is very crucial, as oil continue showing drastically lower levels, continue breaking historical lows, as spelled out by the price since 2011. So let me just show you the precision of Alpha Wave Trader method, as magic of the price never ceased to amaze me. 41.07 will be next level on oil. Clear? And that's the magic of the price. If you shorted oil yesterday, you are in magnificent shape. So here we go. This is S&P daily. If you're an S&P trader, you're taking a morning off and you're coming back to the charts 1:45. 1:45 I will be back in a trading room, unless we take bunch of trades like we've done yesterday on S&P. That would be the only reason I will not be coming back for S&P. S&P reminding you, respect and adore Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. S&P respects decision point too, like no other instrument, especially when it correlates with crucial daily levels. Those of you who have been in a trading room since Monday know extremely well I have not touched my levels since Monday. Price spelled out on Monday we were in worthless corrections. I had taken 0 trades here. Yesterday I've taken 5 trades. I could have taken 25. Why? Because oil was at this level. I had plenty of space to buy until reversal zone. 5 trades on S&P from here, and we knew exactly where to exit. And this is exactly where S&P collapsed from again. Reminding you, respect Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. When levels show you reversal zone, such a bad idea to buy here. Look to short from. And if you do, you enjoyed a marvelous collapse. And if you remember what happened here, my bias is bullish. But what is the price telling me right now? You have to be extremely careful. Any bullish trade is a counter-trend trade. Price is showing me that more than likely it's heading drastically lower. Next level 2053. Any bullish trade right now on S&P beyond aggressive. What would I like S&P to do? I would like for S&P to push as high as possible. I would love to be here to short again. Shorting anywhere near here, the worst idea ever. My bias was absolutely bullish. Here, buyers are drastically weaker than yesterday. For that reason, it ain't pretty place to be. Again, typically prior to FOMC, we have absolutely worthless formations. The volume dies out as markets waiting for the most important financial news of the month, and S&P responds very, very strong volatility and very powerful volume. So again, my focus on this morning is on oil due to the news on oil. Expect extremely boring markets on S&P and extremely volatile markets on oil 1 hour from now. So again, volume very low on S&P typically would be highly unusual to see sharp volatility on S&P morning prior to FOMC. Oil currently in corrective structure. My bias on oil drastically lower levels, again marvelous place to short from, was 44. Currently bearish trend simply taking a major pause. Expect to see oil at drastically lower levels. So again, markets at this particular moment are by far not spectacular. Oil is waiting for the news release, and S&P volume extremely low. So let's exercise patience and discipline, and let's remember, when markets in correction, you have to strongly respect that, which is exactly what happened on Monday. Yesterday, within the first hour, I had 7 trades. Within the first hour and a half, I had 9 trades. That's when you take advantage of the markets. So I wish I could tell you that we have the same exact magnificent formations this morning. No, we do not. Oil waiting for the news and S&P in counter trend trade.